Hello everyone! Happy New Year 2022. I hope you all had a safe and happy celebration last night. So for the start of the new year, I am going to be starting fresh with my hair, which means here we go. Well, I'm gonna go take a shower and catch back up with you.
Well, what do you think? I've been planning this for a while. I've been doing a lot to my hair lately, and I've also got dandruff, so figured I'd give myself a fresh start. I've actually done this before, back in 2017. I did the same thing. So I'm gonna let it grow out for a while, probably like a year or so, and then I'll start doing more hairstyles. So let's talk New Year's resolutions. Let me know in the comments what your New Year's resolutions are. For me, I'm going to be going vegetarian, and I'm going to be trying to get back down to my goal weight. I was 155 when I weighed myself this morning, so hopefully I can get back down. And my goal weight is either 130 or 125, depending. My goal weight is between 125 and 130. I got almost there a couple years ago, but gave up before I fully got there. So I'm gonna stick with it this time, and I will start doing weekly or monthly updates on how I'm doing. This year I'm going to be taking charge of my health. I've already started going to the dentist, and I'm going to be getting my wisdom teeth out next month. So fun. I'm going to be focusing on my mental health. I've realized within the last year that I have depression and anxiety. So I've been taking steps forward to better myself, and I've gotten medical help, and it's really made a difference. So if you are struggling with anything, I definitely recommend seeking help. It's definitely helped me, so do not hesitate to reach out to anybody. And if you need somebody to talk to, you can message me on my Twitter. I'll leave that in the description. So yeah, those are my goals going forward this year. Let me know what your goals are. I hope you guys have a awesome 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.